A delay in the peak of COVID-19 is a good thing, according to health officials who say that safety practices are working, but warn with Easter weekend coming, it's best to hunker down and remain safe. According to doctors at Hartford Healthcare, multiple models are now showing a delay in the surge of COVID-19 cases in the state.
That is because of all the good work we're doing in Connecticut on social distancing. However, whenever I say that, I also acknowledge that there is we can do better. We can do better as we go forward.
Health officials say with Easter Sunday coming up and a time when the faith community traditionally comes together, it's important to remember to keep safety practices going.
I know it's going to be hard and it's going to be tough, but it's a small price to pay to manage our spread at this time.
At St. Francis Hospital, reports of recoveries are growing as days go on.
We've actually treated hundreds of patients throughout Trinity Health in New England, and many have recovered and been discharged safely. Some of them went home and as patients under investigation, so those tests are coming back to get an accurate number. So people do recover from this.
St. Francis, like many other hospitals, is seeing long lines with faster turnaround times for testing and more protective equipment for staff. Hartford Healthcare with a major rollout Thursday expanding masks to all employees, not just clinical staff.
This is our commitment to protect the colleagues in the Hartford Healthcare and obviously reduce the spread as much as possible, do our part in that.
Hartford Healthcare is set to adjust their models for COVID-19 as time goes on and more data comes back from tests and people practicing social distancing. In Hartford, Brian Ditlake, Fox 61.